I started with art, but I never wanted to be just an artist. मुझे ये था कि मैं जो भी लाइफ में करूँ मुझे बच्चों से सराउंडेड रखना है।
अभी तुम लोग स्कूल आ रहे हो कि नहीं जा रहे हो? तू नहीं गया स्कूल? आ गया?
बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि आप कैसे स्लम्स में रह रहते हो बगैर बिजली के बगैर इसके, ऐसे मुझे फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता। I was literally working round the clock.
टीचर्स बहुत अच्छी लगती है।
You won the Global Best Teacher Award.
That time I realized it's not Rubal Nagi.
Yeah.
ये मेरा प्राइज है, नहीं, ये हमारे देश का प्राइज है।
You have taught 1.5 million. What have the slums taught you?
Slums have given me my purpose of life, the real
The
education.
value system,
Yes.
the sanskar.
Yes. How can we blame education system alone when we are not sending our kids to school? According to him, अगर मैं लड़की नहीं होती तो मारामारी हो जाती और he would have also pushed me and dragged us out. I was not happy for so many years. I am still not happy that this happened in my life. बच्चे की maturity देखो, सिर्फ मैं अपनी माँ के ऊपर और स्ट्रेस नहीं डालना चाहता था। विनर वही है जो उन प्रॉब्लम्स में से निकल के आगे बढ़ने के लिए कभी गिव अप नहीं करता। See, body has goosebumps always. वो जब ऐसा पकड़ा अपना कॉलर और ऐसा बोला ना सुशील कि मैं पहनूंगा मैम वाइट कॉलर, आप प्राउड करोगी मुझ पे, एंड दैट इज द डे आई सेड तथास्तु एंड आई होप दिस हैपेंस।
Intention is the biggest donation, I think.
व्हेन पीपल से women empowerment कर रहे हैं हम, तो मैं उनको एक ही सवाल पूछती हूँ, आप कैसे women को empower? Do men have some special powers that women don't have? इसलिए मैं महिलाओं को व्हेन आई टॉक ऑन एवरी प्लेटफॉर्म आई से पहले खुद को रिस्पेक्ट करना सीखो। मुंबई जैसे शहर में अगर आपकी लाइफ में एक ऐसा बच्चा आता है जिसने एक पेंसिल नहीं ली, पेंसिल, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट आर्ट कलर्स,
Unbelievable.
आपको क्या करना है? सीख के बनाना है, हम खरीदेंगे, वो बिके चाहे ना बिके, रूबल नागी विल हैंडल दैट। अगर आप किसी को दे नहीं सकते, इफ यू डोंट हैव अ गिविंग हार्ट, यू कुड बी अ मिलियनर, अ बिलियनर, यू आर स्टिल अकॉर्डिंग टू मी अ गरीब पर्सन।
Correct. You are one of the richest people in the world because of your blessings.
I feel that too.
You are an artist, a painter, and a very good painter at that, right? And then recently, you won the Global Best Teacher Award. Now, that award is considered as Nobel Prize equivalent of teaching. It's also $1 million. Now, tell us, how did you get that?
This credit goes to my office, and they came to me with this. They must have seen it online. Honestly, I didn't know about it. And they said, मैम इसके लिए हम क्यों नहीं अप्लाई करें, मैम आप इतने सालों से बच्चों को पढ़ा रही हैं। सो आई सेड क्राइटेरियाज देखो, कोई गवर्नमेंट टीचर या ऐसा कोई क्राइटेरिया तो नहीं, ऐसे नहीं है मैम, एजुकेटर मेकिंग अ डिफरेंस। सो आई सेड ठीक है, भर दीजिए, लाइए, मुझे क्या लिख के देना है? तो दे सेड मैम आपका जो थॉट प्रोसेस है वो आप लिख के दीजिए, बाकी आधार नंबर जो भी फॉर्मेलिटी थी वो हम ऑफिस भर देगा। तो उन्होंने भर दिया, एंड देन दे अनाउंस द फर्स्ट 50, एंड इंडिया में से 3 आई थिंक सिलेक्ट हुए थे।
What is the award? Tell me what is the award?
So
How does this work? And
So the Global Teacher Prize is an award which is given to the best teacher in the world. So Varkey Foundation, who's actually the chairman, the founder of GEMS Education, Mr. Sunny Varkey, both his parents are teachers.
yes,
And he said, if actors can get it, and politicians can get it, different people in different professions can get it, why can't a teacher be honored on such a big level? And that is where they kind of, you बोलते हैं ना, पहला प्राइज का बीज वहाँ पे उन्होंने बोया. And this was the 10th year of the prize, 10th year of India-UAE relationship, and an Indian winning it kind of was like divine timing is what I can say.
because it's the world's best teacher.
Yes, so I still remember joking with my husband. I said, if I don't come in top 10, I'm not going to Dubai. So he said, "Are you getting nervous?" I said, "I'm not getting nervous. I'm just feeling like कि मैं जाऊंगी या नहीं जाऊंगी," because the email said that all top 50 are invited for the final announcement. So it was again very surreal at that time. But when your name came in top 10, that is when the nail biting started. Then I kind of realized the seriousness of it. The one incident that I cannot forget is that there was a gala dinner before, 2 days before the announcement in World Summit. And there was this huge hoarding of all 10 educators with their little photographs on top, with their flag of the country.
Wow.
And the flag, like a proper flag in front. So the minute I entered that and मैंने अपना तिरंगा देखा, अपना झंडा देखा, मैंने instantly, I remember standing there, I looked up, I said, भगवान लाज रख लेना. So it was that time I realized it's not Rubal Nagy.
Yeah.
When you come into top 10, you've lost that कि ये मेरा award है, ये मेरा prize है. नहीं, ये हमारे देश का prize है. और इतने बड़े global stage पे आप आज top 10 में खड़े हैं. So
well, God is kind because of your work. How many? So you teach in slums.
जी.
And you have a process of taking art and education and clubbing the two. And how many children so far you've taught?
I think we've stopped counting, but over 1.5 million kids now across India.
1.5 million kids. That is 15 lakh children.
जी, it's a 26-year-old journey. So I guess मेहनत का फल है. और एक ही चीज़ जो मैंने बचपन से सीखी है वो है हार्ड वर्क एंड नेवर गिविंग अप. सो आई गेस ये ऊपर वाले का फल है. और अभी तो बहुत कुछ करना है, बहुत मेहनत करनी है. वी कांट जस्ट से कि इतने बच्चे हो गए तो काम ख़त्म हो गया. मैं हर दिन जब सुशील सुबह उठती हूँ, आई प्रे, आई टेल गॉड कि आज मेरा पहला दिन है काम का. सो ब्लेस मी द स्ट्रेंथ टू डू व्हाट आई लव द मोस्ट.
But clearly, you did not land up in a slum one fine day and said, there is a design. There must be some upbringing, some event that must have happened, some place you must have visited. And then you said, okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to live for others.
I think एक फौजी की बेटी हूँ मैं, तो हर 2-3 साल में डैड की पोस्टिंग एक नए शहर में हो जाती थी. अब इंडिया में एक नए स्टेट में जाना मतलब entire cultural change. आपका खाना अलग, आपकी बोली अलग, आपके रहन सहन अलग, आपके कपड़े अलग. I mean, there is so much to learn.
Wow.
And I think that played a very, very important role in my life. And I'm so grateful for that. So इसलिए बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि आप कैसे स्लम्स में रह रहते हो, गाँव में रह रहते हो, बगैर बिजली के, बगैर इसके. ऐसे मुझे फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि ये नहीं कि it's a matter of discomfort. No, it's something that there are people. अगर वो स्लम्स में रह सकते हैं, अगर वो गांव में रह सकते हैं, तो मैं क्यों नहीं रह सकती. सो अडेप्टेबिलिटी, तो वो फौजी की बेटी होने से वो अडेप्टेबिलिटी बहुत आसानी से मेरी लाइफ में आ गई. माई लाइफ एक्चुअली चेंज्ड फ्रॉम माई डैड्स पोस्टिंग इन कोलकाता, माई ट्रिप टू शांति निकेतन. व्हेन आई पुट माई फुट ऑन द ग्राउंड, सुशील, I cannot still, it is almost, I can say 28 years back or 29 years back, but I still cannot forget that vibration that I felt.
Wow.
It was not a mandir, it was not a holy place, Gurudwara, but it was Shanti Niketan. And I stood there and I just, वो बोलते ना आप movies में दिखाते ना, flashback में चले जाते हैं. So it was just that surreal experience that I had. And I came back and started thinking so many things.
At what age was this?
I was in 11th grade.
Wow.
So,
and you felt that when you were
yes,
in the 11th
yes,
grade?
11th grade. And I was like, wow. And that's where, then I got married in 2 years after that. And again, getting married into a family, my mother-in-law is Bengali. Again, the roots are from West Bengal. Rabindranath Tagore, big fan. Even she was someone who looked up to him. So I guess, the whole thing is planned. And that's where my art journey started. But when I was a child, I used to love children. People who know me, they know कि रूबल नागी को बच्चों से बहुत प्यार है और उसमें कोई शक नहीं है कोई क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं आई लव children.
Yeah.
I mean, that's
Why
where
not?
everything started. And you know, when my dad would drive me back to school in the morning and pick me up in the evening, I would see a lot of kids on roadside playing, इधर उधर काम कर रहे हैं लेकिन स्कूल में नहीं है. तो मैं डैड को पूछती बच्चे स्कूल नहीं जाते, क्यों नहीं जाते? So my dad said, you're too young for it. I'll explain it as you grow older. But it bothered me even when I was 8, 9, 10 years old. It is not something that मुझे ऐसा लगता था मैं यूनिफॉर्म पहन के 2 चोटी बना के स्कूल जा रही हूँ. Why aren't these kids in school? And you know, I must tell you that I started with art, but I never wanted to be just an artist. मुझे ये था कि मैं जो भी लाइफ में करूँ, भगवान से मैंने बचपन से ही, जब मैं बच्ची थी तब से ही मैं यही मांगती थी कि मैं जो भी लाइफ में करूँ मुझे बच्चों से सराउंडेड रखना, because they inspire me every second of my life.
But where did you start? Which was your first project of, getting inspired from Shantiniketan? After that,
I came to Bombay at 18 and a half, 19. And my mother-in-law did a couple of art projects at that time. I still remember my first exhibition. तो मैंने कुछ paintings बनाई उनके साथ ही बैठ के और she said, you're very creative, तो ये पूरी series बनाओ. So I started painting. And she said, I booked the gallery for you. You exhibit these works there. I was like, really? She said, yeah, do it.
Wow.
And I did it and it was a sold out show. You're feeling like on top of the world. And I guess that's where it started. Then I started doing murals. I started with 4 mediums. I experimented over 38, 40 different mediums I work in today, from metal, terracotta, mosaic, and 16 different kind of metal, glass. I mean, you name it. And I've kind of, experimented and कुछ ना कुछ उसमें से निकला ही है. बहुत बार नहीं भी हुई कामयाब, but बहुत बार कामयाब भी हुए. And then that's from there my art journey started. So I did exhibitions worldwide. I traveled. I worked day and night. मुझे नहीं पता चलता था दिन कब चढ़ता था और रात कब होती थी, because I was literally working round the clock. And in that I met the founder of Pratham, Madhav Chavan, walking to his office in Pune. I mean, he still remembers that. He says, "A choti si tubli si ladki walks into my office and says, मुझे बच्चों के साथ कुछ करना है." And उन्होंने video भी अभी दी है. And I said, okay, let's test Rubal. But the way she was with the kids in the art camps, it was something that we all still cherish. And I told him, I said, whatever I do, मुझे बच्चों के आजू बाजू में रखिए आप. Art पढ़ाएंगे, क्या पढ़ाएंगे, कुछ भी हम करेंगे, but we will work. I want to work only with kids. This is what I want to do. And that is where one after the other, all the, the art camps took me to so many children. But then he sat me down and he said, या तो आप 300-400 बच्चों तक रह जाइए, या तो आप और expand करिए, because I have seen how you are with kids and I think you need a proper direction ahead. And that's where Rubal Nagi Art Foundation was founded on paper.
So the first project after that was in Dharavi?
In one of the slums, yes, one of the areas.
Slums.
So I actually, when we did our first art camp with Pratham, during one of my class there, I got into the lane. Kids used to always come on the main road to take me in. Now while dropping back, मैं बच्चे आगे भाग गए, मैंने एक गलत lane ले ली. Now when I took that lane, I saw the lane was so narrow. इतनी छोटी सी गली थी and ऐसा निकलती थी सामने एक बड़ा wall पे. So as an artist I'm thinking, अब इस narrow lane से you're feeling कि कितनी छोटी lane है और जब आप निकल के बड़ा एक art piece देखेंगे तो कैसा लगेगा?
So imagination.
So I just imagined it. I was like, कैसा लगेगा? So I said, then it took me a couple of days to think कि अगर उसको कर लूँ, कोई permission की तो ज़रूरत नहीं है. Then I spoke to some of the local residents there. I said, इसको painting कर दें, कुछ ऐसा वैसे भी तो ग्रे सा लगा. हाँ मैम कर दीजिए, आप तो कुछ भी कर दीजिए. So I said, ठीक. So then that's where I did the first one. And it also, Sushil gave me an idea, because when I painted my first wall in the slum, there were few children behind me. Second, few more. Third, more than 200. Literally, I'm saying more than 200 kids behind me.
Watching you?
Watching me कि
Paint.
क्या बन रहा है और ये 4-5 लोग क्या बना रहे हैं इस पे. And then one girl said, "Ma'am, ये तो वो है, ये तो हमारी टेक्स्ट बुक में है." I said, book लेके आओ, अब मैं पढ़ाती हूँ, अभी नाम याद नहीं है ना, अब नहीं भूलोगे. So that is where the power of art comes in. You know, when you say art-based education, it is not about making students artists. It is about making them understand what they are reading, what they are learning. And one picture on that wall got so many kids to come out and out of curiosity to say what this is. फिर हमने वो बोलते ना मुहिम शुरू कर दी है. I painted the whole town. After that, one after the other, one after the other.
So Misal Mumbai is art as an anchor to educate kids in.
So Paint Dharavi was all about beautifying.
Correct.
And learning through walls. But that wasn't enough for us to scale up to a larger number of children. So we launched Misal Mumbai. So Misal Mumbai was a holistic initiative where we spoke about hygiene, sanitation, less use of plastic, toilet use, you know, dry waste, wet waste, how do you do waste segregation, and above all, why it is important to send children to school. You know, that trust you have to build. It's not easy, but it happens with your constant, consistent work and your hard work. You know, that's how that Misal Mumbai became Misal India within 1 year, because if you go back those many years, you'll see people from small villages of Bihar, Jharkhand, they've painted their entire village.
Wow.
They've cleaned the entire village. कहीं कचरा नहीं है, and they posted pictures saying that, ma'am, this is how your initiative has inspired us. And आप देखिए हमने अपने गांव में हमारे पास इतने कलर्स थे, इससे हमने कितना सुंदर गांव बना दिया.
Wow.
And you know, when I painted my first slum, Dharavi was inside, right? It was not a visual thing for your eyes. But Jafar Baba, which is the Bandra slum that you see when you cross the ceiling, it was something you could see on top of a mountain. And बहुत लोगों ने मुझे बोला कि मैम कलर करने से क्या होता है. I said कुछ नहीं होता है. मैं कहाँ कह रही हूँ कुछ होता है. और जो होगा वो आप देखिए. Wait, have patience and see. People, residents have given videos, it's there online that, you know, we felt seen. We got an identity. People never liked to used to see us.
Oh, you mentioned identity.
Yeah.
Misal Mumbai gave identity to people. Very interesting. And do you think education is important for our nation? Because it will also give you identity.
Yes, I think education is the most important thing in
Why do you think so?
every child's life. If you ask me, can I dream of a life? Can I dream of doing anything without education? No. It is the most important thing. You know, it is also the best form of expression. One child drew a painting which was absolutely black. And with one little dot, a square dot, which looked like a small brick hole.
Where was this?
So this was in one of our slums in Maharashtra. And when they are done with their class, I always take the artworks from them. And I discuss first 10, 20, 30, depending on how many children are there, which catches my eye. Now this, I don't think only me, I think any of you, if you would
black
see
painting
it,
with just
you would say, ये क्या बनाया आप बताइए? So I caught the child, I spoke to him, I said, बेटा ये आपने क्या बनाया है? So he was pin drop silent first, and then I said, no, explain, it's beautiful, बहुत अच्छा है, क्या है? He started crying like वो बोलते हैं ना कि आपके आंसू बंद ही नहीं होना, वैसे he started crying. And I sat him down.
Wow.
It took us few minutes to get to normal conversation, and I asked him, I said, आप बताना चाहेंगे आपकी आपने क्या बनाया? He said, ma'am, my father is a stepfather. My mother works in different homes. And my stepfather doesn't do anything. He drinks. I shouldn't be saying it, he does all wrong things. And when my mother goes in the morning to work, he locks me in the room so that उनको मुझे खाना नहीं देना पड़े, स्कूल नहीं छोड़ना पड़े, तो वो सब नहीं कुछ करना पड़े, मुझे लॉक करके चले जाते हैं. एंड मैम मैं छोटी सी खोली में रहता हूँ, और खोली बंद होने के बाद अंधेरा है, because you know slums are neck to neck. I mean there is hardly not much sunlight in them. और हमारी दीवार में एक जो ईंटें लगी हैं उसमें एक छोटा सा होल है जहाँ से वो लाइट मैं देखता हूँ जो अंदर आती है, और मैं वो दीवार पे वो लाइट को देखता रहता हूँ बिकॉज उसी से मुझे टाइम का पता चलता है कि जब अंधेरा होने लगता है. सो सॉरी आई गेट इमोशनल. That is the time when the sun is going down, I realize that my mother is going to come back home and she's going to open the door. And, आई आएंगी, मॉम आएंगी और मुझे माँ आएगी और मुझे फिर खाना देंगी. So I said, आपने अपनी माँ को ये क्यों नहीं बताया? He said, my mother is already going through so much. और उस बच्चे की मेच्योरिटी देखो. हम मैं अपनी माँ के ऊपर और स्ट्रेस नहीं डालना चाहता था. He hugged me so tight, Sushi. I get goosebumps. उसने मुझे इतना ज़ोर से हक किया और रोया, एंड मुझे बोलता है कि आज मैं I feel so good today. मुझे ऐसा लगता है एक पहाड़ जो मेरी लाइफ में मेरे ऊपर था, मेरे दिल पे, आज वो मैम निकल गया. आपने मुझे रंग दिए, मैंने आज तक कभी रंग नहीं पकड़े. आपने मुझे रंग दिए लेकिन मैंने यही पेंट किया. मैम आई एम सॉरी. आपने बोला था कलरफुल कुछ बनाओ, मैंने ऐसा बना दिया, बट मैम आई फील सो गुड टुडे. और अब आप जो बोलेंगे मैं करूँगा. ऐसे पढ़ोगे? सर हाँ मैम पढ़ूंगा.
What's his name, by the way?
कैलाश.
But what a story of hope. Because look at this boy. One is, of course, he's thinking of his mother. But second is where he says that I have not become a rebel, I have not become angry, I'm just hopeful that my mom will come every evening
Yes.
and the door will open and I will get some food.
Sometimes, like I said, you always have two roads, two options in life. You have to choose. Either you pick a gun or you pick a pencil. So I guess he picked a pencil. Gun उठाते तो क्या future था? But pencil उठाई या brush उठाया तो made a future for himself, right? So that is where you have to choose. और शायद if he didn't come for that class, maybe he would have not picked the pencil or the brush. He would have picked something else. His entire choice was made by him. But कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसा लगता है that art played a very important role in that.
Mm-hmm.
If he would have not painted that day, sketched that day and cried that day, because sometimes when you're holding things inside, it kind of burdens you more and more and more. And how many of us can deal with it? No matter how strong you are, Sushil, you can't deal with all of it. You can't. Some people break, some people sail through it. Did I want my student to be one who would break? No.
Did a child in Kashmir surprise you with his or her painting or a drawing? Essay?
Not one, I must say. Many. Many. But, my first art camp, so many years back in a madrasa for girls, they wear gloves. चेहरा आंखें भी आपको नहीं दिखती हैं. And there were Maulana Saab and couple of other men with me. Now, till they are sitting, they will not put the thing up. So I told them, आप लोग बाहर जाइए, मुझे अकेले लड़कियों से बात करने दीजिए. They took that out. I gave them paper. I gave them colors. It's written in my book. So the girl said, ma'am, this is the first time we have held colors in our hand.
Wow.
And children saying it's a different thing. These are grown-up girls.
Yeah.
These are not children. बच्चे तो बोलते हैं मैम हमें रंग नहीं मिलते करने के लिए. But grown-ups saying that, उन्होंने इतनी beautiful landscapes बनाए, calligraphy में अल्लाहु अकबर ऐसा लिखा. Then they made ducks. They made beautiful sceneries of Kashmir because they live in such a beautiful place. Yeah. But a girl coming and telling me, ma'am, this is the first time we have held colors in our hand.
Can you imagine?
I was like, I feel good. What do you feel? They said, ma'am, ऐसा लग रहा है अब हम हर हफ्ते कुछ ना कुछ बनाने वाले हैं.
Wow.
Ma'am, इतना अच्छा लगता है अंदर से. So how it's like freedom of self-expression.
Is that why once you said education is liberation?
Absolutely. I mean, with liberation, it's the best gift you can give to somebody.
When the whole world talks about problems in the education system and there are issues, and it's not just about India or developing nations, even the developed
Worldwide,
world
yes,
talks
absolutely.
about education system and since the beginning of civilization there is education, and we are still talking about something wrong with the education system, right?
Well, how can we blame education system alone when we are not sending our kids to school? बच्चे की सही एजुकेशन उसके घर से होती है, स्कूल से होती है, गुरु से होती है और अपने माँ बाप से होती है. But when parents are not spending enough time with children, then how are we blaming the education system and schools and teachers alone? So first we need to look, it's like when we talk about gender equality. You know, when I do workshop, I ask my women, I said, मुझे ये बताओ आज I joke with them, you know, they're like my family. I said, आज रात को कितनी महिलाओं ने अपने पतियों के पैर दबाए? सबके हाथ खड़े होते हैं. And they're smiling about it. I said, बहुत अच्छी बात है, I'm sure वो काम करके थक के आए. अब मुझे ये बताओ कितने पतियों ने अपनी बीवियों के पैर दबाए? हाँ मैम, ऐसा थोड़ी होता. I said, this is what you need to change. I said, आप नहीं काम करती, आप नहीं थकती हैं, पति स्पेशल काम करके आते हैं तो थकते हैं, आप नहीं थकते. ऐसे जब तक आप लोग ये बंद नहीं करेंगे ना, तब तक वो लोग भी बंद नहीं करेंगे. तो you need to start respecting and asking for your rights first, and then people will start taking you seriously. And then we talk about equality, then we talk about education, then we talk about women coming into forefront. And you know, when people say women empowerment कर रहे हैं हम, तो मैं उनको एक ही सवाल पूछता हूँ. I said, आप कैसे women को empower करते
They are already empowered.
No, I said, आप कैसे उनको empower करें? क्या करती है उनके लिए? हाँ, हमारे different activities हैं, this, that, lot of people. I said, आप कुछ भी करें ना women empowerment के लिए, एक ही चीज़ है जिससे महिला सही मायने में सशक्त होती है, और वो है financial independence. I have said it at literally all my platforms where I speak about empowerment for women is when our women, हमारी बच्चियाँ, हमारी महिलाएं, when they are financially independent, they have money in their bank and they have the right to spend that money as they wish, they are truly empowered. नहीं तो कमरे में बैठ के हम एम्पावरमेंट की वर्कशॉप्स कर रहे हैं, बातें कर रहे हैं, उससे एम्पावरमेंट नहीं आती. आप कैसे उनको सिखा सकते हैं, आप कैसे उनको आगे कमाने का जरिया दिखा सकते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड ट्रू एम्पावरमेंट. एंड सुशील, आई हैव सीन, जब बहू कमा के 2 पैसे घर ले जाती है ना, तो मदर इन लॉ को बोलते हुए मैंने सुना है, बेटी थक गई होगी, बेटा तुम जाके सो जाओ, कल सुबह काम पे जाना है, मैं कर लूँगी. बिफोर दैट तो क्या हो गया, अभी रात के 9 बजे आई है, कहीं से आई है, खेतों से आई है, या कुछ काम गाय भैंस का चारा वो सब सफाई करके आई है, तो हाँ भी चलो बर्तन भी धो लो. माई मदर इन लॉ, वन ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट वुमन आई न्यू, शी इज़ द वन who told me, you're very young, you've got married at a very early age, you've come to a new city, I'm sure you are clueless, you don't know what's happening around you. Beta, no matter what you do in life, you must be independent.
Yeah, and she found your talent.
You
she took
must
you to Taj.
stand on your feet, you must earn. I love my son the most, you know that, but I don't know whether I'll be alive, I'll be dead, and my son turns out to be a bad person suddenly tomorrow after 20 years or 25 years, वो घर से तुमको नहीं निकाले, तुम निकाल देना. And you know, my husband would joke and say, Mama, क्या बोल रहे हो आप, क्या शिक्षा दे रहे हो मेरी wife को? And she would say, no, I know you guys love each other and you know, you're there for each other, but this is today.
Yeah.
I've got a girl from a small town into my house. I can't be unfair to her.
What an evolved woman.
Yes, when you have strong women like this, I mean, you feel, you know, you already feel that you're blessed.
With your 26 years, what were the challenges, or was it like an easy ride? After all, you're doing great social work. I mean, who would have problems with that? You know, they should be laying red carpets, right? Saying that, हाँ, ma'am, आ जाइए, how nice. Yeah, far from it.
I wish, सुशील, अगर आप एक फैमिली के पास जाइए जहाँ पे 10 से 12 साल का बच्चा कमा के 100, 200, 300 रुपए घर में ला रहा है, एंड देयर एंटर्स अ वुमन सेज ये बंद करनी है कमाई और बच्चे को स्कूल जाना है, वो आपको मारेंगे, दरवाज़ा बंद करेंगे. आई मीन दे वुड सी मी वॉकिंग फ्रॉम अ डिस्टेंस एंड क्लोज द डोर कि नहीं मैम जाइए जाइए, और अंदर से कभी कभी बोलते थे नहीं मैम, बच्चे नहीं, कुछ ऊपर से पानी फेंक देते थे कि मैम चली जाएंगी. और उनको नहीं पता था मैम बच्चों के लिए किसी भी एक्सट्रीम तक जा सकती है. आई वुड गो एवरी डे. ऐसे चलिए, देयर वाज वन टाइम आई यूज्ड टू स्टैंड देयर, चलिए डाल दीजिए पानी, कचरा डालना है डाल लीजिए, पानी डालना है डाल लीजिए, आपको बुरा भला कहना है कह लीजिए, बट मैं नहीं जाने वाली हूँ. दरवाज़ा खोलिए, मुझे बात करनी है आपसे, मुझे बात करनी है आपसे. आप नहीं जा बोलेंगे, मैं यहाँ पे सोने को भी तैयार हूँ आपके दरवाज़ों के बाहर में. So eventually, you know, like I said, counseling for parents, that's how the challenges happened. But you know, why I say we are so blessed, Sushil, I want to ask you, at an age of 8, 10, 11, let's take a window of 5 to 12. Have you met anyone in your life who's not seen a pencil?
Not seen a pencil?
Yeah.
No.
I think either nobody or very few, maybe one or two people in billions, I would say. आज तक I have not even met one person जिसने उस एज में पेंसिल नहीं देखी. So I was giving art material, paper, pencil to everyone. And I gave the papers to everyone. I gave sharpener, rubber, वो scale सबको, और pencil बांट रही थी जब मैं. तो one child with his big beautiful eyes, I still remember, he looked at me and he said, "What is this?"
What is this?
हिंदी बोला, ये क्या है? So you know, it's a pencil. It's not a box of colors. So I said, "You don't know what this is?" He says, "No." I said, "बेटा मस्ती नहीं, हम मस्ती बाद में करेंगे, पहले हम अच्छे से ड्राइंग करेंगे, ये लो." He did not even take the pencil in his hand. He was just looking at the pencil. He's saying, "ये क्या है?" So when he said it the third time, I sat there and I said, "You really don't know what this is?" Because by then I realized the child wasn't joking. He said, "No, मुझे नहीं पता ये क्या है." And I'm not talking about some remote area where you could still convince your mind कि ऐसा हो सकता है. मुंबई जैसे शहर में अगर आपकी लाइफ में एक ऐसा बच्चा आता है जिसने एक पेंसिल नहीं देखी, पेंसिल, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट आर्ट कलर्स.
Unbelievable.
It took me few days, over a month, to really, वो बोलते हैं ना, वो जो आपको शॉक लगता है, आप बिलीव नहीं कर सकते कि क्या हुआ है. It took me few days to understand what had happened. And I sat there with that child. I said, इसको पेंसिल कहते हैं बेटा, इससे लिखते हैं, स्केच करते हैं. आपने कभी पेंसिल नहीं पकड़ी हाथ में, आपने कभी, because I was trying to convince myself, not ask him, by the way, कि शायद तो उसने पेंसिल से लिखा है बट उसको पता नहीं है इसको पेंसिल बोलते हैं.
हाँ.
So he said, नहीं, मैंने कभी इसको देखा नहीं है, ये क्या है. So I sat there, I explained it to him, I gave him colors, I said ये करते हैं, वो करते हैं, colors box बनाओ, rainbow बनाओ, colors भरो, pencil से drawing करो, ये करो.
Wow.
I came back home and I asked my husband a simple question. I said, "Have you ever met somebody who's not seen a pencil?" His instant reaction was, "Come on, what's wrong with you?" I was like, I think something is wrong with me. Because today I've met a child in this city and I still cannot believe it. And that is the day, you know, I was very young, but वो बोलते हैं ना, calling comes early for people who are meant to do something. I think that is the day God shook me so hard that I was on my knees with both folded hands, crying and praying to God कि अब in my capacity, मेरी लाइफ में भगवान मुझे कभी एक ऐसे बच्चे से नहीं मिलाना जिसने पेंसिल नहीं देखी. Because that would be the day I don't think I will be able to take it. You know, I don't know what will happen, but I will be so devastated and totally broken that अभी भी और बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने पेंसिल्स नहीं देखी. So that is where I said, we are too blessed with everything. Now my journey is going to be different. And I'm, you know, Sushil, I'm very grateful. I'm very grateful that that happened earlier in my life. Because उसके बाद there was no looking back. There was no looking back at all. उसके बाद तो वो बोलते हैं ना कि बुलेट फायर हो चुकी थी.
Ah.
On that speed,
That gave you strength to pitch up every day.
that gave me strength, that gave me so much of courage कि भगवान को ब्लेम मत करना, अगर दोबारा कोई बच्चा ऐसा मिल गया तो काम करो, बच्चों तक पहुंचो, उनको शिक्षा की तरफ लेके जाओ. एजुकेशन इज द बेसिक राइट ऑफ एवरी चाइल्ड इन योर कंट्री, इफ नॉट द वर्ल्ड. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इंडिया हियर. I say reach out to as many as you can and just जो भी हो पढ़ना जरूरी है. Access.
Pencil is
उनको
an
पहुंचाओ. Yes, it was that one वो बोलते हैं ना वो पहला कदम. For me that पहला कदम was a pencil. You have to just support, and it doesn't take much. You don't need tons of money. You just need to believe that you can do it.
Yeah.
और कोशिश करते रहना है. सुशील, ओवरनाइट कुछ नहीं आप अचीव कर सकते, ना कुछ ओवरनाइट बदलता है. At one of our cleanliness drives in Rajasthan, I took the mic. I stood in center of Lakshmangarh, that bus stand जहाँ पे हमने सफाई अभियान किया. उनको मैंने बोला कि हमें ये करना है, कचरा नहीं फेंकना है. So while I was speaking, one guy says, मैम आपको लगता है एक बार कचरा साफ करने से सफाई हो जाएगी? So I took the mic. I was talking. ऐसे नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं होगी, लेकिन आज करेंगे ना, फिर करेंगे. ऐसे आज मैं कर रही हूँ, कल आप करिए, आप करिए, परसों वो करेंगे. ऐसे ही चेन बनेगी. और आप में से आज यहाँ पे आप लोग अभी 100 लोग खड़े हो या 20 लोग खड़े हो, इसमें से अगर 2 भी इंस्पायर हो जाएंगे तो वो आगे 20 लेके आएंगे. फिर वो आगे 20 लेते आप देखिए कितना बड़ा नंबर बन जाएगा. हाँ मैम. एंड ही स्टार्टेड क्लैपिंग. ही सेड yes. One of our slums near the airport, people came and threw our buckets out, started pushing my team कि निकले बाहर, आपको तो हमने पोस्टर पे फोटो देख लिया. तो ऐसे कल आपको फोटो हम प्राइम मिनिस्टर या प्रेसिडेंट के साथ देखेंगे तो आप वो पार्टी के हो जाएंगे. ऐसे आप तो देख रहे हैं हम रोज यहाँ आ रहे हैं. हाउ डज इट मेक अ डिफरेंस? आई डोंट नो विच पोस्टर ही सॉ. आई हैव नो आइडिया ऑनेस्टली. वेरी मस्ट हैव सीन माय पिक्चर, व्हिच आई डोंट थिंक सो, बट आपको मुद्दा बनाना होता है. एंड जस्ट बिफोर ही केम, आई वाज स्टैंडिंग विद दिस ग्रुप ऑफ वुमेन बिकॉज देयर वाज अ new child. He must be 3-4 years old. Mother was holding and his body was full of rashes. And I saw the child, so I went to him and I told the mother, मैंने बच्चों को गोद में लिया, मैंने कहा, and I was just doing this to the child and she was first taken aback that I took the child on my thing. I said, ये क्यों इतना बॉडी पे उसका रैश है? तो she said, मैम इतना कचरा है यहाँ पे, this is what we are breathing, and यहाँ पे स्किन एलर्जी रहती है और ब्रीदिंग इश्यूज रहते हैं. तो ऐसे कोई बात नहीं, हम ये कचरा साफ करवाते हैं, वहाँ फेंकवाओ और आप लोग भी थोड़ा सा कंट्रीब्यूट करो कि ये नहीं करो. एंड देन आई विल डू अ हेल्थ मेडिकल कैंप हियर जिसमें आप बच्चे को दिखाइए. इसको तो अभी हम हॉस्पिटल लेके जाएंगे, लेकिन और भी बच्चों को लाइए. सो while I was talking to her, 15-20 women more came out of their homes and we were just having a conversation and this guy comes in, starts doing this. So while I was talking to them, he was doing, and I was telling him, आप रुकिए, आप बात तो सुनिए. He was not ready to listen at all. अगर मैं, according to him, अगर मैं लड़की नहीं होती तो मारामारी हो जाती, और he would have also pushed me and dragged us out. When my girl, these women, saw him ill-treating my team, they came forward.
Oh.
They started shouting at him and telling him, how dare you touch ma'am's team, and how dare you tell her anything, how dare you speak to her in loud voice. She is standing there, she doesn't live here, she's standing and talking about cleaning our garbage, repairing our homes, taking our children to medical camp and getting treatment done, and you who lives here, who never bothered, is telling her to go. Literally, वो बोलते हैं ना, वो मूवी का सीन था, literally pushed him and his 4-5 people out of the slum. And then I intervened and I said, आप उनको धक्का-धक्की मत करिए, हम यहाँ पे ये सब के लिए नहीं आए हैं. अगर हम मिलके नहीं काम कर सकते तो कोई, there is no point me working there. The whole point is not कि हमें आपको जोड़ना और आपको तोड़ना है, हमें सबको जोड़ना है. We are supposed to work together. And then I said, आप कल आइए, कल हम आराम से आपको बात करेंगे, आपको समझाएंगे कि क्या है and what is the main aim behind this. I'm not here. He came. He was our ambassador for 3 years after that.
What?
For supporting our cause around all the slums near the airport. And door to door he's gone and said, देखिए क्या काम हुआ है, देखिए कितना अच्छा है, देखिए ये क्या. So later, and then being then later on he used to get us biryani. मैम आप लंच मत लाइएगा, हम लेके आएंगे. मैम टीम को भी नाश्ता कराएंगे. So how things turned. So I told him, ऐसे देखिए भड़काने वाले बहुत लोग होंगे, समझाने वाले बहुत कम होंगे. तो आपको चूज करना है, आपको नेगेटिव पिक करना है या पॉजिटिव पिक करना है। मैम का कोई एजेंडा, कोई इसके पीछे हिडन मोटिव नहीं है, ये आपको समय से पता चल जाएगा। अगर होता तो भी पता चल जाता।
Yeah.
सो यू नो हाउ विद पेशेंस, काइंडनेस एंड जस्ट लिसनिंग टू पीपल्स प्रॉब्लम, whether good or bad,
Yeah.
has always turned things around for us.
In COVID, we were all locked up nicely, cozy in our home,
Disaster.
putting Instagram posts about cooking, etc.
True.
But we were all worried. The whole world was worried about what will happen inside the slums because of all the issues within the slum, the density, all of that. And you were in the thick of things because slums was not just your kam, it was your karma bhumi.
Yes.
So tell us about COVID and you.
No, it wasn't easy at all. It wasn't easy at all. In fact, we were the first one to have a center in Noida, जहाँ पे दोनों बच्चों के parents positive थे. Neighbors were not supporting at that time and they said अब तो तुम्हारे माँ बाप, और डरा दिया बच्चे को कि अब तो आपके माँ बाप कभी नहीं आएंगे, and we don't know if they're alive or not. So kids said, kids, बच्चे घबरा जाते हैं, बच्चे हैं. Those 30 days were the most tensed, वो बोलते हैं ना, sleepless nights for me. Those 30 days when so we picked kids from certain areas of ours in north, जिनके दोनों माँ बाप घर में नहीं हैं, और हमने उनको एक नोएडा में somebody gave us a beautiful place, we kept them there, कि जब माँ बाप आएंगे तब हम भेजेंगे, बच्चे कुछ उल्टा सीधा ना कर ले. Now, till those kids were with us for those many weeks, I have not slept because it's a huge responsibility. जब बच्चे दिन और रात आपके पास रहते हैं, आते हैं स्कूल में, पढ़ के चले जाना, your responsibility is done, evening is for their parents. No, this we've never done before. ठीक है, so last का एक हफ्ता तो I put my mattress also there.
Wow. You
I said वहाँ पे नहीं सोने से अच्छा I will sleep here.
Wow.
So I stayed with them, we had a great time, and in those days we learned so much. हमने इतनी अच्छी पढ़ाई करी, हमने meditation किया, हमने yoga किया, so बच्चों को भी बहुत मजा आया. And I wanted their mind to get off that situation कि हमारे माँ बाप कहाँ हैं, at a younger age for the child to realize हमारे parents नहीं हैं, it's the biggest insecurity that you can give to a child. So this was very tense, but being a frontline worker, we were on ground from day one, and I want to say I'm very kind that मुझे आज भी COVID नहीं हुआ. तो लोग
That's what you think. होके गया होगा.
क्या मालूम होके गया होगा, लेकिन ऐसा.
But you were so determined.
Could be, हाँ. तो people laugh. They said, "मैम आप एकदम अंदर उसमें रह रही थी, आपको नहीं." I said, "God is great," because I remember once one child comes running to me and Roshni, and she hugs me. I call her Roshni because I think she's a very bright child. Her name is Rashmi.
Nice.
And when she's hugging me, she had fever. So my team comes running, मैम रुकिए अभी उसका रिपोर्ट नहीं आया है, पॉजिटिव है कि नेगेटिव. So I looked at them. I said, if Vivan came in fever, came running to hug me, will I put him on side that let your COVID test report come and then I'll hug you? I said, what's wrong with you guys? उसकी माँ भाग के पीछे से आ रही है, मैम रुकिए हाथ मत लगाइए मेरी बेटी को. I said, so I looked at her. I said, ये क्या बातें करते हो आप लोग ना, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है कभी-कभी. She was walking with her mother. The minute she saw me there, where that painting is, she in fever came running. And I held her, kissed her, and I said, don't worry, you'll be fine. कुछ नहीं होता, सब ठीक है. Because everybody was scared. Because, first wave में तो लोगों को, इस्लाम में मुझे लोग बोल रहे, मैम हमें ऐसा लग रहा है मरना है तो हम गाँव ही जाके मरेंगे. And I used to tell them, मरना क्यों है भाई?
We saw the migration.
I said, मरना क्यों है, मुझे ये बताइए. I said, please stay put where you are. Let government guide you what needs to be done, and do not believe in fake news, because there were a lot of narratives which were being floated कि इससे ये होता है वो. I said, just listen to the right handles online. Do not listen to what your neighbors are saying and what your friends are saying. So that news which was not correct create more panic. I used to tell them, आप लोग गिटार निकालो, अपना हारमोनियम निकालो, गाना गाओ, खाना खाओ, enjoy yourself. Don't panic and don't create a panic. So our areas were I was so proud of my team, because हमारी team वहीं रहती है. हम वहीं से लोग pick करते हैं. So they were handling it very well.
So what is your dream for our nation? You are now championing.
Everybody knows, Sushil, my whole life is about seeing India 100% literate. Not just me, there are a lot of people, I'm sure, who are working passionately towards different cause in our country. And एक साथ हम सब मिल के काम करें तो हम definitely इसको achieve करेंगे. Why not?
Absolutely, and you've shown the way. But then you also say education is not good enough. You need employment and you need the financial returns to live.
Yes, so that's why you balance education with skilling.
Correct.
Education with a professional learning. Like I said, after learning, you have to earn.
Correct.
बच्चे अगर डिग्री लेके ही बोलेंगे हमने डिग्री ले ली और सब काम हो गया, वो तो नहीं होगा. उनको घर चलाना है, अपने माँ बाप को देखना है, अपने फैमिली को देखना है, which is the future family, their wife, their kids, their their surroundings, their loved ones. So it is very important that with learning, you earn also. That's why we focus a lot on skilling.
Yeah, and what are the women doing now with your
So we
process?
From After Learn and Earn and Mahila Saksham Yojana, we launched an initiative called Studio Saksham. Now, Studio Saksham is an online shopping portal where all the products which are made by our girls in the villages and slums are there for you to buy.
Okay.
They are not very expensive, but they are very good quality and money goes to them. So because, no matter what you do, if the initiative is not sustainable, if it is not self-sustaining, it will not go a long way. So every initiative you do has to be self-sustaining. So यहाँ पे वो बनाती हैं, हम उसको online डालते हैं. And, today people from Canada to Hong Kong to New Zealand to New York, we sent 110 or 107 shawls to New York. Somebody has taken it as a corporate gifting. They're like, we love the packaging, we love the thing. And there is a card of a woman who's done it. So that is also there. So they're like, हम ऐसे normal खरीद के नहीं. If we buy this and we give it to somebody, they appreciate more.
Oh, the designer.
So we kind of put everything together for them, and then the money goes to them. That is why I tell girls, I said, आपको क्या करना है? सीख के बनाना है, हम खरीदेंगे. वो बिके चाहे ना बिके, Rubal Nagi will handle that. But आप बनाओ. That is why we have so many girls today. Because normally what happens, Sushil, they make and then people tell them, we will put it online, बिकेगा तो आपको पैसा मिलेगा.
Correct.
वो जो गैप आपने छोड़ दिया ना बिकने का, उसमें आधी लड़कियां निकल जाती हैं. They go back to their life which they had left towards becoming self-reliant. But I don't do that. I tell them, I said, हमारी अगर capacity 100 shawls की है, हम 100 ही खरीदेंगे. लेकिन आपको 100 के पैसे दे देंगे.
But you are also skilling them to make great quality products.
Yes, absolutely.
That is where your confidence comes from.
See, gone are the days where made in India was not considered good. In our growing up days, we would say made in India नहीं quality अच्छी नहीं है. Today, made in India is everywhere in the world. I mean, today, made in India, when you say this product is made in India, people say, wow. Those, if you remember in our growing up days, that is not how it was. We used to see the tag and say made in India नहीं छोड़ दो. आज वो चीज़ कैसे बदल गई है? It is we people who've changed that mindset with our quality products. Now, quality is very important.
You go and shop in London and New York and then it says made in India and you bring it back.
Exactly. I mean,
that feels very stupid by the way.
Yeah, I know stupid, but listen,
all of us.
but if you see that quality is also very good.
Yeah.
It's not, and today if you, I mean, I have so many friends who live abroad who are not Indians. When I say I'm coming from India, they have a list of things. We want made in India, this, please bring. And I'm like, are you sure? They're like, yeah, we love your linens, we love your pashminas, we love your saris. And a lot of people have taken saris and converted them into their beautiful sofa covers, sofa backs and table rugs. They're like, we don't wear saris, but we love the fabric so much and you've laced them so beautifully.
It's all made by your
girls? Yeah, they weave
Can we see some?
Yes.
Do you have them here?
Yes, of course. Yes. So this is some of our cushion covers. So see, these are done by our refugee camp girls. These are the refugees who've migrated from Pakistan. And these are just
refugee
throws.
camp girls where?
In New Delhi.
Where is this camp?
New Delhi.
New Delhi.
Yes. See, these are our Kashmir cushion covers.
Wow. Made in your center in Kashmir.
These are different villages, yes.
Studio Saksham.
Ji.
Wow.
See, these are our cotton sarees.
These are made by your.
woven by Katkur village girls.
What are you saying?
Yeah,
These?
yeah. See, touch this.
Yeah,
this is
was
pure
as-
pashmina.
Oof.
So this we get embroidered also. If the budget goes down, goes higher, then we don't do the embroidery. We do like plain ones. See, these are done by our Rajasthan girls, and these are done by our Gujarat girls.
This is unbelievable.
These are all recycled material, which we want to reuse. Different sizes. We just add a little bit of gold to make it a little more funkier. And these are some of our girls who are
These are the.
These are my Lucknow girls. Sorry, kurti hum nahi laye. But we have kurtis also. We've launched cord sets.
So these go inside the packaging.
These go
So
inside
these,
the
this is
packaging.
the designer. This is
Ji.
the.
These are my girls who are making it. So for the shawls we have boxes. Again, biodegradable box. We pack it nicely in a butter paper. Then we put the shawl there. We put a card of the girl. Send it wherever needed.
cool.
So you can use these bags, you know, other than just the product bags also. The new ones are with pockets, so you can even slip in your mobile, which is like carried by everybody today.
I love this, but you know, I mean, it's a photograph and then there is a name, Noor.
Ji. The collection is called
This
Noor. We
is-
dedicate the collection by the name of the girl. So every shawl has a name of the girl. Nigat, Shaheen, Nizam. So it's their name. We've dedicated every girl with their name of the shawl. If you go online on the website, you will see it says Noor collection. Noor's shawl. So एक अगर 10 बना रही है 20 बना रही है तो वो सब उनके नाम से.
You should do a fashion show of this. A real, the catwalk sort of grade fashion show. I'm serious with your kurtis and all of this.
Hopefully one day.
Can you imagine?
Be nice. My
Huh?
girls can walk.
Your
Other-
girls can walk, of
yeah.
course, and then the designers.
Yeah, can
Just
do.
imagine she comes out holding the hand, the designer, Noor comes out.
Yeah, why not? We can plan, yeah. I mean, this is a 2-year-old initiative and it's done
Only
pretty
2
well
years?
in 2 years, yes.
Oh,
In fact, we participated in PITEX last year in Amritsar. It's a trade fair. They invited us to participate. The response was so good that we are going this time with almost 3 times bigger.
Every trade fair should have this.
Yeah, we are
Every
going 3
trade
times
fair.
bigger. Ji.
Wow. Oh, unbelievable. My
Good,
God.
na? We believe. That's why I said, gone are the
God,
days
this
when you
is-
didn't
this
have
is treasure, yeah.
made in India. Yeah,
But this is the pride of India. Forget made in India.
absolutely.
This
Pure
is
to-
this pashmina is not just warmth; it's warmth from love.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
See, each shawl sustains a house for a month. So that is the best contribution, we can make to somebody's life. And घर पे बैठी हैं अपने, मैं उनको बोलती हूँ कहीं कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, काम करो, घर पे लाके दे रहे हैं आपको सामान रॉ मटेरियल, घर पे बैठो, जब टाइम मिले बुनो, जब टाइम मिले एम्ब्रॉयडरी करो, जब टाइम मिले सिलाई करो, तो आपको कहीं जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं. दैट इज़ वाई कश्मीर इज़ सो बिग फॉर अस टुडे बिकॉज उनको पता है कि मैम हमें घर से बाहर दूर जाने के लिए नहीं बोल रही हैं. मैम बोल रही है जहाँ पे हो करने का मन है, वो बोलते हैं ना जस्ट मेक अप योर माइंड एंड आई विल कम टू यू.
That is why you were born in Kashmir. There was a reason you were born in Kashmir.
I guess, yes.
Yeah. But how do you see Kashmir now when you go there? And of course, this is all that you're doing.
I think it's beautiful. It's
No, it's always beautiful.
always been beautiful, and I think the mind of people is now open to a lot of new things which didn't happen a couple of years back. And being the daughter of Jammu and Kashmir, I have seen the tough days and I've seen the good days. I mean, good days and then the tough days and then the good days and tough days.
Yeah, yeah.
They go hand in hand with Jammu and Kashmir. But I think from last couple of years, this very nice positive change that I'm seeing in people's attitude, people's mindset is very nice. I love people of Jammu and Kashmir. And they've given me so much love. I mean, I don't live there. I live in Maharashtra. मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि जम्मू एंड कश्मीर मेरी जन्मभूमि है, महाराष्ट्र मेरी कर्मभूमि है. But ये देश हमारा है, सुशील. I mean, every part of India is home to us, right? So we can't differentiate कि मैं जम्मू कश्मीर से हूँ या महाराष्ट्र में रहती हूँ. मैं
Yeah.
तो हमेशा बोलती हूँ मैं इंडिया में रहती हूँ.
Yeah.
And we have to, no matter which part of the country we go to, we have to just think of one thing कि हमारा देश कैसे आगे बढ़े. हम क्या ऐसी चीज़ contribute करें अपने देश के लिए जिससे we can say कि हमने ये contribute किया. So
No.
this is a small little thing for my girls to become self-reliant, like I said. They can't be self-reliant till they have money.
And if anyone has a problem of what they should do, they should actually read this book, The Slum Queen, Rubal Nagi.
Thank you.
I read this book, by the way, word to word, end to end. And when I read this book is not about you. This book is not about teaching. This book is not about slums. This book is a template, right, for anyone who wants to live their lives for others. If you have a Rubal Nagi inside you, this will tell you how to do it. आप कोई भी कर, आप business कीजिए, आप teaching कीजिए, आप गाना गाइए, whatever you want to do. If you want to do something for others, this
You know,
book
you
is
have explained it so beautifully. So
But that's how I felt.
मतलब वो बोलते हैं ना, like when I did my last exhibition at Rashtrapati Bhavan, Pranab Mukherjee, Honorable President, was the president at that time. He was alive, and I remember, him giving him one of my paintings, and being an abstract artist, painting नहीं आपको समझ में आती, right? तो उन्होंने वो मेरी पेंटिंग देखी और कहा खूब भालो रंग, खूब भालो stroke. And then he explained my painting to me, and I was just like this, that how did this happen? When you were describing my book, it took me back to this incident, because the way he explained my art, which was just correct, is exactly how you've explained.
Who gave you this name, by the way?
My children in the slum. They said nothing in my life happens as per me. Everything in my life happens as per my bachas. I told them, I gave, I think, couple of my centers, I told them, ma'am ki book, teacher ki book complete ho rahi hai, abhi naam socho. Now, queen is a very fancy word for them. तो बच्चों ने ये सोचा कि हम queen लिखेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. अब slums तो लिखना ही था, because I wanted the word slum. तो उनके साथ क्या? So we voted. There was two names. One was slum mother and one was slum queen. So maximum votes came for slum queen. Though I was not a very, I'm not a fan of the word queen, to be very honest. But बच्चों ने जब इतने innocently बोला, नहीं मैम ये होना चाहिए, so जब book ही आपके लिए है, आपको dedicate किया.
Yeah.
तो जो, I mean, every name title is chosen by my kids. I mean, I am just there to say yes to them.
If you had asked me this question, what would you call this book?
Title.
I've written a book, Sushil. Isko kya? You know what I would say? Not the slum queen. I would say the real beauty queen. And the reason is because you have beautified the outside to beautify the inside of India.
Oh, nice.
Right?
So beautiful.
So that's how I would have named this. And
That's so amazing.
But if somebody has to get involved with your mission, what are the opportunities? I mean, is there like sponsor a child? Is there volunteer?
We have different programs. I mean, on our website is there, you can sponsor a student. So you can do that. You can come and give classes, but minimum criteria is 1 year.
Classes?
Yeah, you can come and teach.
Teach what?
Teach whatever you like. I mean, you don't have to come and teach them English, Hindi, maths. वो तो बच्चे पढ़ ही रहे हैं. We want people who want to volunteer with us. We want them to come and speak about, like, there's a friend of mine who's a very good photographer. So he's like, Gopal, can I come and talk about photography? I said yes, because so many children will become photographers tomorrow. So why not? There are lawyers. When we were working in Abhyas Gali, there used to be lawyers and doctors used to come and meet these students, because they were studying law, they were studying medical, but they could, study in their slum. They used to come and sit on that street and study under the street light, like literally the concept of street light. And so whoever wants to volunteer in whatever profession they are, but the minimum criteria is one year. You have to choose, if you do weekends, then you have to do every weekend with us. I mean, sometimes if you can't, then you make up for it. But it's not that you
you
can
come, you do
2-3
one
classes and you disappear. No, you need to have that dedication to give constant weekends to us. Like if you could have any problem or any family issue or family program, you miss that weekend, you come and compensate that 1 hour into the weekday
Yeah.
or the next weekend. So
Yeah.
minimum is that. And then a lot of professional people who want to come and volunteer with us, we also tell them 6 months course. So we have different programs in different slums and villages. So you can pick what you want. And I mean, we have donation portal as well. You can contribute
Of course.
whatever you like. I think time is the biggest donation you can ever do, because when you come and spend some time with children, they feel seen, they feel important, they feel that we are there, and there are these big celebrities, there are big people who don't live in slums. They come and spend time with us. They sit and, listen to us. It makes them feel important. So I think that is the biggest thing that you can do for children. And
I think it's not time. I think it's intention is the biggest donation, I think. अगर आपके पास intention है,
बिल्कुल, आप सब कर सकते
ये,
हैं.
I
I think that would also work. And of course, there are so many things. आप अगर, like you said, intention, आप mind बना लीजिए. हाँ, हमें बताइए, हम बता देंगे where we can fit you
But then
nicely.
you will interview the teachers first. कि क्या पढ़ाने वाले हो, बताइए
For
first.
sure, yes.
How are you going to teach? But you have taught 1.5 million kids, and your other colleagues have taught so many. And the slums have been your karma bhumi. What have the slums taught you?
Slums have given me my purpose of life. Slums have given me so much love. Slums have given me who Rubal Nagi is. My definition of my self, my name, me as a person has come from there.
और सबसे important teaching क्या मिली है? What did you learn?
सबसे important teaching ये है कि you are very blessed to be where you are.
Wow,
So never stop,
we are.
never give up.
So Rubal, we have a segment now which is called Know the Real Rubal Nagi. Okay, so this is now the real you. If all your awards disappeared tomorrow, what would remain untouched?
My babies, my bachas, my children.
I think if your awards disappear, I know what will remain with you. I think the
Love of,
millions of blessings you got.
yes, the love and blessings, yes.
What is one mistake you made in leadership that reshaped your approach? You made a mistake in leadership?
I don't know about mistake, but I still think, despite me starting at a very early age, मुझे अभी भी लगता है कि शायद 2-4 साल पहले और शुरू कर लेते हैं तो और टाइम मिलता.
When you train educators, what quality do you look for that cannot be taught?
Well, the biggest quality that I look for is patience.
One fear you still have even today.
I told you. I still have today. I do not want to meet another child who's not seen a pencil. मैं भागती हूँ उससे बहुत दूर, and that inspires me to, वो बोलते हैं ना, आप थकते हो तो थकते नहीं हो. आप रुकते हो तो रुकते नहीं हो. Because you do not want to come across another child like that.
One thing society does wrong while trying to help the poor.
Because they think they are poor. You're not helping the poor. I don't like the word poor. Poor क्या होता है? Underprivileged क्या होता है? Less privileged. But that doesn't stop them from being successful. I mean, today you see the world leaders, not just India, see globally, they've come from very humble beginning. तो poor क्या होता है भाई? गरीब क्या होता है? कोई गरीब नहीं है, सब अमीर हैं, सब बड़े दिल वाले हैं, सब अच्छे हैं अपनी जगह पे हैं, and they are thriving to become successful, earn money and live a comfortable life. So why would we use words like that? We don't need to.
Absolutely. गरीबी आपके मन में है, उनमें नहीं है.
आप बोलिए ना, अगर आप किसी को दे नहीं सकते, if you don't have a giving heart, you could be a millionaire, a billionaire, you are still, according to me, a गरीब person.
Correct. One change India needs urgently.
More focus on education.
Yeah.
With already that they're doing. I mean, I'm someone who doesn't believe in criticizing. I'm someone who believes कि आप क्या कर रहे हैं, आप क्या contribute कर रहे हैं. But I think little more focus, with all the focus that already is there, I think it'll be great.
One thing every privileged person should experience once in life. I think they should experience Misal Mumbai. I don't know about what you want.
I think everyone in this world should experience a genuine hug from a child whom they
Wow.
don't know,
Wow.
because that will only come when it is felt.
If you had unlimited funds, what is the first thing you would build?
I would build many more education centers, many more in every corner, because so many remotest possible areas that I go to which still lack infrastructure. I think that would be my first focus, that every possible far-flung area, remotest possible village, small or big, should have a learning institution.
One message to every young person watching this.
Never give up.
All right, the last one. Your life in one sentence.
My children.
Lovely. Excellent. That is real you. I think
I can't think beyond them any which ways.
I think you have not surprised us. You are absolutely who you are. That is the real Rubal Nagi. So Rubal, another segment. This is called the GeoLeap Mystery Box. Okay. So in here are a few things and items. I'll pull one out, and then you have to tell us what that means to you. Not what that is, but what that means to you.
Okay.
Okay? Easy. Let's see. A photograph, which is
That's Worli Koliwala village. Oh my God.
what does this mean to you?
You know, when I look at it, the first thing that I remember is that standing on those rocks
Yeah.
with, I never used to wear a scarf. और मई के महीने में आई थिंक हमने यहाँ काम किया था और इतनी गर्मी और धूप थी कि सब ऑल माय टीम मेंबर्स यूज्ड टू से कि मैम हम जल गए हैं बट फिर भी हम कलर कर रहे हैं एंड दे यूज्ड टू से मैम वेयर अ स्कार्फ एंड आई नेवर यूज्ड टू वेयर अ स्कार्फ बट देन आई स्टार्टेड वेयरिंग इट एंड आई रिमेंबर वन गर्ल ड्यूरिंग some channel came to interview and she couldn't speak proper English but she gave a full interview in English.
Really?
और इतनी प्यारी उस बच्ची ने इंग्लिश में इंटरव्यू दिया है. आई विल शेयर इट विद यू.
This is the ceiling.
This is ceiling. This is Worli Koliwala. So if you go, see, this is the right side. On the left hand side was the Jafar Baba colony at the back.
Correct.
Next, where you pay the toll. And this is on the right hand side. This is not a slum. This is a village, Worli Koliwala village. So
And you paid.
I know
So-
it's
so correct. So I don't
such
think
an old picture.
No, it's an old picture, but I think what is happening is that we all have seen this from the ceiling.
Yes.
This perspective of looking at the ceiling from here has never happened, right?
Yeah, because this was our picture. How do you
Yeah,
get
yeah.
it? Is it online? I don't know.
All right. Of course. So what does this mean to you?
Don't show me that.
Don't show you that. Done.
If you have seen it, I'm happy to. I am
ये
happy
देखो
to
भाई,
see
उसमें
it.
था, I asked you.
Otherwise, नहीं मुझे देखनी है वो.
What does this mean to you?
Oh, well, my huge inspiration, my father.
Yeah.
You know, he had brain stroke last year.
Oh,
And
so
he
sorry.
is
Oh,
just,
God.
he's recovering. He's now started walking. He was with me in Bombay for 2 months. And he says, एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छी हुई है बॉम्बे से जाने के पहले कि मैं स्टिक पकड़ के चल रहा था, अब मैं बगैर स्टिक के यहाँ से जा रहा हूँ वापस. So
Nice.
he is one of the most amazing and softest army officer you've ever
Softest army.
you've ever met. You know, फौजियों की इमेज रहती है बहुत
Yeah, yeah.
कड़क और बहुत strong and very, you know, he's like all heart.
A $1 million check. What does this mean to you?
This means a beautiful center coming up in Maharashtra and Kashmir both.
Line of control. LOC.
Yes.
What does it mean to you? How do you
That
see
it means that every village which is across line of control, in army language they say LC, there should be schools, there should be medical assistant, there should be health care, because बहुत सारी जगह पे हेल्थ केयर नहीं है. स्कूल्स जो हैं आधे बीच में बंद हो जाते हैं. सो हमारे सेंटर्स के इंटरवेंशंस की वजह से we want to reach more and more. I told you.
Wow, this is a very artistic picture.
Again, this is Worli Koliwala village.
Yeah.
So
But
the-
what does this mean to you, this picture? What do you see here?
So this, this was a house of a family. When we started painting the staircases, they were first very reluctant about कि नहीं नहीं हमारे घर में कलर मत करिए मैम हमें नहीं चाहिए. And हमने छोड़ दिया था इस घर को. We went, if you see a little bit of that other side, so we started painting that side. And then I would speak to the lady and the man of the house. ऐसे क्यों ये सब क्यों आपका अच्छा नहीं लगेगा आपका छोड़ दिया ये वो नहीं मैम कलर नहीं. I don't know what they had in their mind. They didn't express. Then their daughter came to me and she said, "Ma'am, मैं ना माँ को समझाऊंगी आप कलर करो मेरा ना 6 महीने में शादी है तो I want my house to look very beautiful and ma'am can you paint my that little thing in pink, that top pink, purple pink." I said, "Yeah, sure." She convinced her parents. See, this is what I call community involvement. She convinced her parents saying कि क्या खराबी है बताओ कितना अच्छा लगेगा.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Still remember.
Ah, special.
This is the same one I was talking about where girls said, "Ma'am, हमने कभी रंग नहीं हाथ में पकड़े." This is that same. This picture is also in my book.
Yeah.
I think.
But what does this mean to you?
This means a huge change. They made me make a promise that every time you come, you meet us. Unfortunately, I couldn't keep that promise that I did not meet them every time I went because I go so often. But, a couple of girls are in proper colleges today studying. So I guess this one little workshop, sometimes, like I said, we underestimate कि छोटी चीज़ भी बहुत बड़ा change कर सकती है.
Correct.
ये वहीं से शुरुआत हुई है.
Wonderful. Oh, a plain canvas. What does this mean to you? Plain canvas.
The new beginning.
Nice.
Because everything starts with plain and simple things.
Nice.
And every piece of paper, every canvas gives you hope for the new beginning.
Lovely.
So never underestimate a plain paper or a
Absolutely.
plain canvas.
Excellent.
And if you give me colors, I would just make it black with that small window in the center.
You will?
And I would just feel proud to live that moment again, which changed somebody's life.
That was hope.
Yes.
I see hope in this
Yes.
when you will do that.
अच्छा इसमें तो बहुत time लग जाएगा. I will try to do it fast. Can you imagine being there, Sushil?
No, I can't. What is a red?
That is that brick hole ना. सीमेंट नहीं होता है दीवार में ना. लाल ईंट 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 लगी होती है उसके बीच में जो थोड़ा बहुत आप जो सीमेंट भरते हैं उसमें एक छोटा होल था इतना सा थोड़ा सा छोटा होल. Just one dot of hope. ये तो बहुत सुंदर है सुशील. ये तो बहुत आप
अच्छा हुआ है.
Can you imagine pitch dark?
अच्छा हुआ है. And can you imagine a child there? Forget about pitch dark. Thank you for giving us hope. Thank you for giving us hope inside our hearts.
Right.
GeoLeap Rubal is all about spreading the power of inspiration. और अभी ये conversation में भर भर के मिला है आपसे inspiration. And I'm sure there will be millions who will get inspired. They already are inspired. They will be inspired.
I hope
When
so.
people read the book, when they read about you, when they watch this conversation,
जी.
and so on. I also hope that one girl gets inspired, and her name is Sarmishta Sethi. And she has to get inspired by you to continue doing what she's doing against all odds. Now, this girl is a graduate and she applied for a job for being a cook in an Anganwadi.
Oh, wonderful.
Now, that position, cook in an Anganwadi, requires only 12th standard pass. So, she was overqualified. But she still took that because she wanted to earn 5,000 rupees to support her family. But she also wanted to study to become a great teacher. Not wanted, she wants to. All right. So she takes up the job. What happens to the Anganwadi? 4 months now, kids haven't gone to the school. The Anganwadi is. Why?
Why?
Sharmishta is a Dalit girl.
Wow.
Okay? The kids' parents say you're not going to eat from her hands. All right? She wants to become a great teacher like you. And she's going ahead. I hope she watches this. We'll make sure that we'll send her this conversation. I will make sure that I send her your book.
Please do.
Maybe you should write a message for her. And I want her to read this book so that she gets the strength to say, no, I have to continue. I want to become a great teacher. That's my dream. And possibly one of these days, we see her in UAE, picking up that award.
Yes, why not?
Why not? Yeah.
Yes. But you know what, Sushil, this doesn't surprise me. Because I remember going to one of the villages in South and I was driving into the fields and I saw this couple of women and men sitting, काम करके खाना खा रहे थे. And मुझे lemon rice, चित्रन्ना बोलते हैं उसको साउथ में, बहुत पसंद है because my father was posted there. So मुझे ऐसा लगा कि रोकते हैं, उनको मिलते हैं. और मैंने ना honestly एक छोटा बच्चा देखा, बहुत क्यूट सा बच्चा. तो मैंने गाड़ी रोकी, मैं उतर गई. I went there. I'll send you that video. And वो लोग सब बैठे थे. तो मैंने उसके टिफ़िन, the minute I went to them, उन्होंने टिफ़िन बंद किया ऐसे. तो मैंने राइस मुझे थोड़ा सा दिख गया. तो मैंने कहा चित्रन्ना तो नहीं है? बोले नहीं मैम, राइस और अचार. I said, I sat there. तो ऐसे loud, I did my hand like this. Two people from the back came running. नहीं मैम आप मत खाइए, आप नहीं खा सकती. तो I said, मैं क्यों नहीं खा सकती भाई? झूठा है इसलिए बोल रहे हो? नहीं मैम, मैं बाद में बताऊंगा, आप चलिए. मैं I said नहीं. I sat there. I said डालो मेरे हाथ में. तो she was eating, you know, they eat with hand. तो खा के मैंने कहा अब भी डालो, नहीं तो मैं डब्बा खोल के डालूंगी. उसने डाला, मैंने खाया, and they all started clapping. And then when I sat in the car, I asked this person, I said, आप क्यों मुझे मना कर रहे थे खाने के लिए? Because honestly, I didn't think कि ऐसा वो लोग. I said, मैम वो दलित गर्ल थी. I said, आप मुझे भी दलित ही समझिए फिर. I said, what is दलित गर्ल? I said, human beings नहीं है वो. I said, what is wrong with you? ऐसे दुनिया कहाँ जा रही है, आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? इसे नहीं मैम, इसीलिए आप देखिए सबने क्लैपिंग कर दिया बिकॉज नहीं एक्सपेक्ट किया था. ऐसे ठीक कैसे? आई सेड आप ही ये लाइन खींचते हैं. प्लीज अभी ग्रो आउट ऑफ दिस. आई सेड वी डोंट हैव टू बिहेव लाइक दिस.
But that's the reality of India.
But that is
the reality of India. That is the fight you are fighting. That is a fight Savitribai Phule fought.
Yes.
And that is a fight that many others will have to fight. You give us strength. So you're not a teacher. I don't think you're a painter, artist. You are a nation builder. You are a crusader of sorts. You are a change maker. But you are also a social transformer. Okay, social transformation is something that has always remained a hope for the world. So, thank you for being the slum queen. Thank you for being Rubal Nagi.
Thank you for having me, Sushil. It is such a pleasure.
And
Thank
the next book will have many more stories.
Yes.
Yeah, of
Very
India,
soon.
of India and its magic.
Very
Thank you. Thanks for coming.
Pleasure is all mine. Thank you so much for having me.